We'll guide you through how to use two audio outputs in Windows, whether it's Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is extremely convenient to do because, for example, you may want to go and have two pairs of headphones plugged in because you're using it with a friend and you want to both have audio coming through. Or alternatively, you may have two speakers and you want the audio to come through them both as well. So to get started with this, we do need to go and get an app. Don't worry, we'll guide you through this step by step. Open a web browser of your choice. Here, go and type in virtual audio cable. I've got it suggested. This is the site here, go and click on it. Read this through, but to go and get it at the top, you can press download and we can then go and get the exe here. It may get blocked. Let me go and click on it and press download unverified file. It's now downloaded. What we now need to do is go and open up File Explorer and you want to come to your downloads. Here it is. You want to then go and double click on it and install it like any other application. Really straightforward. We already have. After you've installed it, press search at the bottom and you need to go and type in audio repeater. Open up MME, click on it. This will appear. Now with it open, you need to come to the bottom right click on the sound icon and press sound settings. In here, scroll down and make sure you select line 1, virtual audio cable. Then you can come back to audio repeater. Where it says wave in, you can click there and you want to go and select line 1, virtual audio cable, like so. Then for wave out, you can go and choose one of the outputs you want to use. I'll choose my speakers. Then you can go and right click on it in your taskbar and open up another by clicking it. For wave in, once again, you need to go and choose line 1 virtual audio cable and you can then choose the other output you want to use. I could go and use the monitor speakers here. Press start on them both. Now when we play audio, it will come through them both.